No, sir. You just cannot do this.
Siddharth, don't stop me. I'm angry like hell.
Look, I never raise my voice over you. But I'm going to protest against the blame you're trying to put on me today. I've tried to tell you for last 3 months continuously, but you kept telling me to replace the shop manager. But what difference that would make, Grandpa? Will there be any solution? Shop managers aren't street vendors. Am I right? Like they would push people to buy.
Grandpa, I feel that Som is absolutely right. And please don't let this kind of things happen in this drawing room, please. Everyone is over here. It's just not right to humiliate Som this way.
No. Why, Shom? It's me who'd be humiliated everywhere, every time. You went out with that girl as your wife despite me warning you against it. On your way back, you had to take lift from none other than Aditya. Mr. Agarwal had called me 10 times asking about her only to poke me. But that doesn't humiliate me, right, Siddharth? Shom is answerable about the sale drop. Despite the harm he has done to this family, you brought him back. I was still not humiliated because, as always, my humiliations got ignored. As if I don't belong here.
Shamresh, why are you reacting this way? You're the eldest son of this family. Listen, why are you so quiet? Please say something.
No, Mom, please. Don't ask Dad to say anything. The day he decided to include that girl in our family, I realized I have no value in this house. That got proved today as no one stopped Shom when he misbehaved with me.
Som should not talk to you in that way. But you must admit that he definitely has some sort of point. If our business has incurred a loss, then a single person can't be blamed.
Leave it, Grandpa. If the blame is put on me, then I must do something about this. You don't have to worry at all.
Is that so simple? He has started behaving as the sole owner, Dad. And I'm telling you once again, he'd ruin the business. Other boys of this family behaved like joining this business would be less than an honorable job.
Grandpa, if you're not aware, this sweets business is creating a lot of problem in this house. I suggest you must sell off the shops. How come you still think that this will work? People are so health conscious nowadays. Does anyone eat these stuff?
Grandfather. Should I say something? If you all please don't mind. Can we imagine any celebration or festival without sweets? Some traditional sweets that people cannot find easily. But they wish to buy Indian sweet. For example, in our shop, if we offer Indian sweets, then people will rush to our shops, I'm telling you.
Grandpa, you better not take her silly suggestions, please. And I'm requesting you to please keep her away from this business, Otherwise, this house will witness a fight for sure.
Grandfather, did I talk like a stupid? And what did your angry grandson say? He suggested selling off the shop. Wasn't that a stupid suggestion? No. I was just saying, grandmother, please come and tell me what to cook for breakfast. Come, 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 come.
Amu,
Hmm.
her suggestion is not bad at all.
Hmm.
We can take her idea. We have to put her in the shop.
What?
Yes. We will have to use Mithai as a resource in our sweet shop business. She seems to be quite intelligent. Her business strategy sense is very good. As she used to sell sweets on the streets, she knows what people really want. She knows it pretty well.
Uncle Pratin, have you heard something? You tell me, did I push the sale down purposely? I tried my level best, but what does he do? Neither he shares any idea nor does he guides me. Every time, why does he put blame on me?
Som, please cool down. What should I say? I do feel bad about you, trust me. Samresh has been like this, selfish and temperamental. But your grandpa nowadays hardly says a single word in your favor. Your grandpa is having a change of heart, Shom.
Why are you saying such things, Uncle Pratin?
Don't you know why? After you left the house in the morning, do you know what he decided? He is going to send Mithai to the shop. Because it seems that Mithai has many ideas. Never sleep on this, Som.
Did Grandpa say like this? But I said that I'll compensate the loss. Grandpa didn't remember that?
Exactly, that's my point. I remember very well that you had said that you will compensate, but your grandpa didn't. I have a suggestion, Som. I think that you should leave Siddheshwar Modak Sweets business. You know very well that Samresh treats you like an employee. On top of that, your grandpa wants to employ a superior above you, and if Mithai...
No, Uncle Pratin. No, Uncle Pratin, no. Grandpa will never do such things.
I'll be happy if that doesn't happen. I do wish so. But my gut feeling says he wants to put a superior above you. You see, I might be very wrong. But when I was leaving, I heard that he's going to decide something in that direction. But I must say, if at any point you want to be set free from all these things, feel free to tell me. I'll introduce you to someone.
Uncle Pratin, you're making a mistake. Grandpa loves me so much. He won't do this.
Shom, people change. It doesn't take much time to change their minds. It's true that your grandpa loves Mithai too much. Literally too much. You, me, and all the others are aware of this. If he does involve Mithai in the business, then you must raise your voice against him. Give me a word that you will do so.
Oppa, where are you? Come see who is here. Nanda and Ratul.
Oh, brother Ratul, wait. I'll fetch Aunt Oppa. Aunt Oppa,
Yes?
leave this and come with me. Come
Hey,
with me.
Slowly. Relax. What would I do with this girl?
You come here, my mithai. You tell me what happened yesterday on your way back home?
Nanda, don't bother her with all these. Ratul, will you have some tea? And should I make some for you too? Please sit. I'll make some tea. Mithai,
Yes.
go and fetch Neepa here.
Right away. Sister Neepa, please come down. She's here. See, Sister Neepa, Ratul is here.
Hey. Come here, madam. I've brought your handsome husband to be. Come here. Mom, you know, Ratul is being grumpy since yesterday. He kept asking me to call Nipa like she's upset. I was wondering that if this is the case, even before getting married, then
Why are you teasing her, Nanda? Neepa will be the queen of his heart.
Listen, Aunt Appa. Please tell your beloved queen to bother her husband further on. She should not come to me. Yes.
Sandeep, do tell us how does she bother you?
Yes. Suppose she wants to go for a movie. Means she will force everyone to come with her. Just imagine how much that will cost. At the cost of popcorn, sandwich and soft drinks as well. What?
Since when have you become a miser?
I'm not miser. But please do the maths. I'm just saying if Ratul takes her to a movie, then everyone will be saved. Try to understand, Shri. At least now understand.
Oh, I got it.
yes, Mithai has got smarter after listening to what Siddharth sang for her. Am I right, Shri? Listen, tell them how brilliantly he sang. You guys missed the whole thing. I mean, couldn't watch that live. Video call can't transmit the charm. Yes, Nanda. You know, we couldn't enjoy as much.
Nanda, what you are thinking is not the truth. Sid got back to his old self after he came back home.
All right, please give it a rest. Aunt Oppa, listen, please do one thing. Tell the grumpy grandson to convince grandfather so that he allows Ratul to ask out Neepa. Only Mr. Bittercard can do this.
Listen, Shri. Exactly what happened? After Sid came back home, did he misbehave with Mithai? Answer me, Shri. Nanda, you know I was worried about this. I just don't understand.
Oh, it's a full house. Ratul? Congratulations. I heard the problem got solved, right? So now the wedding is happening.
Yeah. Thanks to Mithai. She's the reason. She made my mom agree on this. So,
Hey, no, I did nothing, Ratul. Aunt Sushmita is a gem of a person.
Excuse me, we need to leave now.
Aunt Oppa, ask him
Yes?
to talk to grandfather. Please ask him. What?
Tess, let's go. We are getting late.
Bye, everyone.
Oh no! He's gone. Now what will we do? Who will convince grandfather so that he allows Ratul to ask out Neepa?
I was thinking, Appa, should I try this once?
Uncle, that's good idea. Please do so. Please go to grandfather's room. Everyone is there.
Yes, Mithai is right. Please go. And please send Sulata.
Okay.
Ratul, why are you still standing here? Should I have to usher you in? Sandy, go usher him in. Nanda, come with me. Now I'm not going to call. The maid has left the job, you know.
Ratul,
Yes.
come, let's pamper you a bit. Please sit, please sit.
Thank you.
Mom? Mom, tell me, why does everyone look so serious?
Nothing. Leave it.
What would you like to
Tea,
have?
coffee, cold coffee, ice cream. Hey, no. No, I won't eat anything. I'm just full. I'm here to thank Mithai personally. Actually, Mithai told me to come. And my mom is so impressed with her that she keeps telling that Mithai is so extraordinary.
Brother Sandy, listen, take Ratul to the terrace. Then I will take Sister Nipa to the terrace. They need to spend some time alone, right? We don't know. Grandfather may not let them go out.
Mithai, you are so matured in such matters. Then why can't you manage Mr. Bittergourd?
What can I do? I'm Mithai meaning sweet. And who is the grumpy grandson? Mr. Bittergut. One is sweet and the other is bitter. And he doesn't accept me as his wife. Then how come I can manage him? Anyway, don't get bothered about me. Do what I just told you. Go.
Okay. Atul,
Yes.
you come with me upstairs. Leave these girls ahead. You're always hovering around your to-be wife, to-be sister-in-law. Please care about your brother-in-law also. Come.
Hey, what are you doing? They are talking to each other.
No, they won't have to. Come, Ratul. Come with me.
Hey, but what's the
Hey,
matter?
come
Why
with
are you
me.
pushing
Come on.
This way.
Oh my lord. I knew there won't be any movie plan. Hey Shri, let's go watch a movie online on your laptop.
Spare me. I have many assignments to do. I don't have time for a movie.
Nipa, come here. Please learn some chores before your wedding. Our mother-in-law would be very happy. Come here.
Oh Lord, Nanda, are you even in your senses? You are asking Nipa to learn house chores. Rather teach some chores to Ratul. He'll be doing the chores after marriage.
Sister Nipa, give me a moment. Please come with me upstairs. I have chores there. You'll give me company? Come. Come, please come with me. Come.
Mithai, wait.
Antappa, what? Please listen. Yes. Do you know what happened? Yesterday night, it seemed like she was beginning to fall in love with Siddharth. I knew it. It was expected that she would fall in love with him. But I'll wait for Siddharth to love her back now. But as long as that Miss Tess drags him around him all the time, Siddharth will not be able to understand Mithai's worth. Mark my words. I'm very sure. And after a few days, the ultra-modern mom of Miss Tess will come here. Then everything will be a mess.
Mom, calm down. What do you keep thinking, Mom? Stop. You know, Mom, I do think that Mithai needs an identity of her own. Siddharth somehow doesn't notice her good traits. So we should keep trying so that he does notice someday, right?
Oh my, you're getting smarter. My children.
Okay, tell me something. Mithai is planning something, right?
I think so. Actually, she came to me and whispered that you take Ratul on the terrace.
There,
What?
come.
What are you doing?
Yes,
What?
Brother Ratul. Brother, Sister Nipa was missing you. Now speak to her.
Actually, we were thinking that she might cause a flood.
Sandy! Mithai, if I knew you would bring me upstairs, then I wouldn't come at all.
Oh my, huh? As if we don't know you. You're pretty much enjoying yourself. Ratul, over to you. Mithai, let's go. We are done here.
Yes, I need to do the laundry now. There is no maid now, so I have to do all work. So bye.
Let's
Come on,
go.
come on.
Were you trying seriously? Why? Tell me.
Actually, Mithai does exaggerate things.
Nipa, I really like that. It's nice to know that someone is missing me. It makes me feel so special.
Stop it.
You know, Nipa, actually, I couldn't ask you because Grandpa wouldn't allow it. Trust me, I want to take you to places somewhere far. Listen, tell me something. Which places do you like? Mountains, seaside, beaches? What do you like?
Places with big shopping malls. I'm a shopaholic. I love shopping. You know, I'm not a big fan of nature. She likes such places. If Brother Sandy was here, he would say, Nipa, you're empty-headed. How come you would appreciate nature?
Thank you. Thank you for answering all my questions honestly. You're like yourself. You may not like nature, but that's okay. I'll take you to the shopping mall.
Tell me the place where you live.
Hmm?
Does it have big shopping malls, Ratul?
Nipa, I used to stay at a small town close to Los Angeles. Yes, there is a big shopping mall in locality. But I'm sure you would love Los Angeles. I'll take you for a tour. But I'm still not going office. I'm doing work from home. And you know, I never stayed this long here in Kolkata. But I'm enjoying this place. Don't you like this city, Nipa?
No, I don't. Things are weird here. I wish for a beautiful lifestyle. I want a happening lifestyle.
But I do love roaming in Kolkata, exploring the narrow streets around. I love old buildings, the smell of old books. I love all these things. Nipa, our preferences are a little different. Am I right? But it's okay. People say opposite people attract each other, right? So